See, now it's a few days later, and since the wind ended up blowing out of the north for a couple of days, it blew all the trash that was in this trash collector out of it. We had a chance to get it, but we didn't get it, and blew it all over the damn place. I mean, it's just everywhere. It's terrible. Well, you got the tools, but you don't have the willing bodies. That's the problem. Just trash all on the island. See, the island is, the water's flooded, island's underwater, and all that trash it's been stuck on the island is now liberated to float where it wants to. Or it just may collect more trash, and then the water goes back down again. And the whole island has a nice, beautiful carpeted trash all over it. That's unfortunate. We're looking for my kayak, by the way, out here. It broke off in a storm and disappeared on me. Let me familiarize you a little more with the geography here. This is the island. It's called Treasure Island, believe it or not. That yellow line is a little Google Earth thing I did. It's a 6-mile kayak around the island, from the marina back to the marina. Island's like just under 3 miles long. I mean, we're just eating up the miles here going by this island. I believe it's like 3 miles long altogether. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have to double check that. But if you can see way into the woods, just the sea of trash. Oh my God. It's just acres and acres and acres of plastic garbage. And when this water comes back down, it's just going to be laying all over this island. Isn't that insane? I'm just trying to give you an idea of what's going on out here, the scope of the problem. Thanks for watching. There's more coming.